I'm Diego Zax. I run the design team at Ramp. We are the fastest growing expense management and finance automation platform in the United States. At Ramp, we care a lot about design. We care a lot about experience. Is one of the key differentiators for us. It's an industry that people usually hate, and we're building a product and brand that people love. I remembered how I was doing QAing and all these things before, which was kind of a huge pain because you're taking a little screenshot of something and then like either email or Slack, like, hey, I need you to fix X. Or I saw a bug, trust me that I saw it because I can't replicate it and I can't show it to you. That to me was one of the biggest, most useful features that Jam has, is I can just go back in time and show a thing that didn't work instead of trying to figure out myself why it didn't work and replicate it so that I'm ready to capture it. And this is, for me, the biggest time saver, because those are the real tickets that take like 20 minutes, 30 minutes each. I think like each bug report, I would say takes an average of like 5 minutes. So if you're telling me there's 1,200 of them, then what's that, like 6,000 minutes? That's 100 hours worth of just like literally completely wasted time. It just makes it easier to care, and it just puts the work where it needs to be, which is on the fixing, not on the reporting.